Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. Today I am going to start with creative section. In that section we are going to learn about comprehension. Now in comprehension we are here three children are there. Rajiv, Karan and Anita. They all were studying together. Now one day all the children were talking in the class and Rajiv is a boy. He wants to share everything whatever he knows. He wants to tell to each and every person whatever secret is there, he wants to share it. So here the children were talking and suddenly Karan is coming to the class. Karan is going to enter in the class, but the children stop talking because they know that if Rajiv will know the secret, then he will share to each and every person. So they will stop talking with each other and the class was silent. No noise was there. Karan think that why the children stop talking as I enter the class. So Rajiv ran to Karan and asked to Karan that what is the secret in the class? Is there any secret announced in the assembly hall? Then Karan said no, there was no any secret. Then Rajiv again formally asked to Karan that is there any secret? Please tell me Karan. But Karan said no, I am not going to tell you anything. Then later on Rajiv, after the school gets over, Rajiv ran to Anita and asked that is there any secret in the class? What is there? Please tell me Anita, please. He begged to Anita. Then later on Anita tell her that in the assembly principal sir has announced that principal sir is going to give awards on Teachers Day to our teacher. So that is the secret. Then as soon as he heard, Rajiv heard and going to share this secret with all the persons to whom he met. He shared these things with the sir, teachers and children. So let's begin with the comprehension from the textbook.
My friend Rajiv can never keep a secret. Secret means confidential, not to share with anyone. The minute you tell him anything, he runs at once to tell others about it. None of us like to tell him anything. Just see what he did today. He was going to enter the class when he heard two boys talking. Shh. He is outside and listening. Don't speak now. When he entered the class, he found everyone was very quiet. Rajiv turned to Karan and said, "Please tell me the secret. Please, Karan." "No," said Karan. I won't tell anyone." "I know you will," replied Karan. Now here what did Karan say to Rajiv? That if I will tell you, then you will not keep this secret. I know you will tell to everyone. So please. Again Rajiv said please to Karan. No and no, said Karan firmly. Karan repeat the same thing, that no, I am not going to tell you anything. Firmly means unyielding manner, not soft way. He talks to Rajiv, not in a good manner. After school, Rajiv ran to Anita and said, "What is a big secret, Anita?" Anita replied, "I won't tell you." Rajiv begged very hard with so many places that Anita agreed in the end. Begged means ask formally or humbly, request. humbly or formally. That is called a begged. Our principal will be given an award on Teacher's Day, Anita said. Raju jumped with joy. He ran to his class teacher, Mr. Bose, and said, I have found out a secret. Sir, our principal will be given an award on Teacher's Day. This was announced in the assembly today. Rajiv said, Mr. Bose, your bus was late and your friends are teasing you. So what do you mean by teasing? Teasing means making fun of others. Or announce means make known publicly. Make known publicly. That is called announce. If we announce in a public, so many in a crowd, that is called a announce. Make known publicly. True or false? Raju was very good at keeping secrets. False. Why it's false? Because he can't keep a secret confidential. So statement is false. Everybody like to tell him everything. What will come? True or false? False. Why false? Because nobody like to tell him everything. That is the correct answer. Nobody is going to share with Raju, no? In the comprehension below. Refer that. As he was going to enter his class, he heard whispered. What is true? As he is going to enter, the children were talking. And as soon as he entered the class was silently. So, it's a true statement. Whisper means murmuring in a soft voice, in a low voice. Everyone was very quiet when he came in. Statement is true. Raju begged Karan to tell him the blank secret. In comprehension, children, you have to find it from the paragraph passage itself. Only answer is there. Just it may be given in the twist form, but you know that it is there in the passage only. Okay, don't write it by your own. Anything in one word also you have to find it from the passage itself only. It is given in the twist form. Karan refused formally to answer Raju. After Karan, Raju ran to Anita to ask about the secret. I have already done highlights in the paragraph. Now one word. Which word tells that Raju's friends were hiding something? Hiding something means secret. If we don't share with anyone, that is called hide, no? Secret. Which word can replace please, please, please? Please, please, please. If we say so many times, then it is a request order form. Which word tells that Raju's friends were making fun of him? Making fun of him means teasing to other person. Right, children? So, I hope that you will understand. First of all, read it thoroughly, comprehension passage, and find out, then read the question thoroughly and find out the answers from the passage itself. Then you will come to know the answers. It might be given in the twist form, but you should write it in a correct form. Don't use it by your own answer. Understood? When it is asked, then you can use it. Otherwise, you have to find out from the passage itself. I hope you understand the concept of comprehension 2 and you like it. This is related to you only, children, right? Children studying in the school together and somebody don't want to keep a secret. Whatever we want to say, if important, then only we have to share it. Otherwise, we have to put it in our mind only. Don't share it. Have a nice day. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.